Good evening, everybody. Today we are completing lesson of light. Today we are talking about the transmission of light through different materials. In this image, we see a room. In this room, there is this window, and we can see the trees through this window. So it is made of what? It's made of glass. This glass clear to a degree that the light can pass through it, and we can see this object, these trees, this garden through it clearly. So this object, we can call it a transparent object. And this transparent object gives us a clear details for the whole image. Let's see the next image and we tell the difference between them. Here in this image, we have a hand behind this frosted glass. Could you see this hand clearly compared with the last image? It is not. The image here is not clear. It is distorted. The light ray here is scattered, so we can see the hand clearly. This material we call it a semi-transparent material, or translucent. We call it translucent also. The same for the next image here. We have many cups, and these cups behind this frosted plastic or frosted glass, and also the details for these cups is not clear to us. Next one. Here we have a piece of wood, and we can see through the wood. This wood stops the light, so we call this one opaque material because it doesn't allow the light to pass through, so we can see behind it. So we have here a simple classification for the matter according to the reaction of light with these materials. According to transmission, we'll divide them into transparent and semi-transparent and opaque material. The transparent can allow the light to pass through easily. Most of light will pass, most of light. So you can see clearly. We have many applications for this. We use glass to make our windows. We use glass also to build the glasses that are used for enhancing our sight. Semi-transparent, this one, it will give us a smaller vision, smaller clear details. So we can use it in many things. We can use it in some lights to give us a dim light for us. Or if you are working in a company, you use some partitions. These partitions made of glass, and these glass are dimmed, are frosted, but it will not give you a details for the person behind them, a clear details. Opaque material like the wood, like us, like humans, like cartoons. All these opaque materials we call opaque because they don't allow the light to pass through. Now for the test. We have here in this image this material, a foggy glass. How could you classify this matter? Is it opaque, transparent, semi-transparent? That's correct. It is semi-transparent because you can see the details of this object clearly. You can see them less clearly. Next one. You have here these cartoons. These cartoons, they don't allow the light to pass through. They stop the light. So you can see through them. So they are opaque materials. That's all for today. As a homework for you, Try to find some applications about the transparent and the semi-transparent and opaque material and tell me about them in the comments. Until then, see you soon. Goodbye.